Hello, dear students. This is Vivek Vaibhav, and you are watching video lecture on topographical map. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss drainage patterns on topographical sheet. In the last video lecture, we have discussed settlement on topographical sheet. I hope it is clear. And before that, we have discussed already. We have already discussed slope and all about the things. Dear students, today we are going to discuss river patterns, patterns of river on topographical map. Look at this. Drainage pattern. Actually, river courses having different landscape, different patterns. If any rivers flow on top of the land, that means mountain or hill area, it is good in pace, good in motion. Okay, and if any rivers flow in the place of plain area, it is very slow. And when the last moment river meet to sea or ocean, that time it is very slow. So, dear students, before I am going to start, this is the river patterns. So, two things is important: tributary and distributary. So when any rivers come and meet the main course of river, this is tributary. And in any river which is main course of river which is bifurcated, trifurcated in a different way, it is distributary. Like Ganga, when it meets to uh, Bay of Bengal, there are so many rivers like Hooghly is distributary. Okay, so patterns of river definitely different. So dear students, we are going to discuss three or four patterns of river in this video lecture: radial pattern, dendritic pattern, terralized pattern, and disappeared stream, like that. So what is radial pattern? Before I'm going to deal this radial pattern, you have knowledge. I hope you have knowledge of contour lines. If you don't, go through my contour lines video lectures. After that, you have knowledge of this. So in the contour lines, the conical shape of contours like that in this picture you have seen and you see this time. So when in the conical shape, any river flow, it is different direction, it flows different direction like that. The blue rays shows that different direction of the river, it is the radial pattern. So in the topographical sheet, if you see this type of contour lines and this sets of a stream flowing area, you obviously you have to mind it. It is radial pattern. Okay, so this is the center of the reverse point, and this is the courses of the river in the different directions. Okay, so dear students, now terralized pattern. Any main course of river when tributary meets almost 90 degree, this is terralized, terralized pattern. Rectangular drainage pattern it is also called. Okay, so when the alternating layers of the hard and soft rocks, the stream tributary join the main course of river at right angle triangle, like Narmada river in India is a terralized pattern, terralized pattern. Okay, now dendritic river, dendritic pattern. Dendritic means, at you know that dendritic patterns of vegetation found in a xerophyte area, that means um, deserted area. So like that, reverse courses. This is the blue dark shade line is main course of river, and many tributary meets in this river like a dendrite. Dendri. So dendron means tree-like a structure. So in a Greek word of dendron, it comes from. So dendritic patterns of the river like that. Okay, many tributary in the on the topographical map. If you see like that patterns, you have to mind it. This is dendritic patterns. Dear students, keep in mind because it is very important for you in the examination point of view. In examination, it will be asked in your examination what is the pattern of the river in this and this easting northing. Okay, so you have to keep in mind it. Okay, now one thing is that disappear pattern. So river, when river, suppose this is the I have pen. This is the river flowing here, like that, river flowing here, and dotted lines. We have dotted lines. So this dotted lines means that rivers disappearing from here, rivers disappearing. Okay. So I hope it is clear for you. In the next video lecture, we are going to discuss sign and symbols of on the topographical sheet. After that, this chapter will be finished, and I hope that many more things in this video lectures and in the back video lectures I have already discussed. So you have cleared. If you don't have knowledge, go through all the videos so that it is inducive to identify your topographical sheet and make topographical sheet easier. Okay. So dear students, thank you so much. See you again.